So Insta360 have just released a new ShotLab effect, which is AI invisible selfie stick removal. So if you're using any kind of normal action camera like the Ace Pro and you're vlogging with it like this, and you can see the selfie stick in the picture normally, now they've added a ShotLab effect where you can actually remove the selfie stick from the picture using AI, and it worked pretty well. I've got to say, there's a couple of differences between this effect and the one that DJI released when they released the Action 4. It's a very similar effect, it works the same way, but because of the processing power of the application, it's a lot quicker on the Insta360 Ace Pro. It works just as well, and it does it in a fraction of the time. It actually took me about 3 minutes, as you can see from this screen recording I'll put up there. I've sped up. It only took about 3 minutes to process the clip, to remove the selfie stick from the picture. It's not perfect, as is the Action 4 isn't perfect either. You can still see a little bit of the stick where they've sort of, the AI has removed it from the picture, so it's like a generative fill kind of effect. But especially if you're moving around a lot, you can see the little bits where it was in the picture, but it does work very well. It would work better in sort of high contrast scenarios, like the Action 4 did, snowy conditions for instance. So yeah, that'd be perfect. So I fully expect it to work better. I was doing it in quite a complicated environment, if you like, with lots of leaves and trees around, so it did pretty well. So yeah, the Action 4, like I said, has a similar effect where you can remove the selfie stick from the picture, but when I did the test in this one, it took about 15 to 20 minutes to process it. You have to upload it to the cloud, download it back down, and it took a long time, and that's why I would never use it on the Action 4, just because of the time-consuming process that the application has. With the Insta360 Ace Pro, you go into the ShotLab, you use your theme, takes 3 minutes, and it's removed it from the footage. You can record up to 120 seconds worth of footage as well. It does it all for you. 3 minutes, it's done. So yeah, great update to the Ace and the Ace Pro. I presume it'll work with Go3 footage as well. Anything that's not 360 footage, because the 360 footage already removes the selfie stick out of the footage, obviously because of the 360 stitching. Now you can do it with your normal action camera as well and get that sort of third person POV sort of look. It's really, really good, and another great update from Insta360. That's it for this one. Make sure you do stay tuned for more videos coming really soon. We've got lots and lots of stuff coming, so many things to review and lots of new features and new cameras. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any uploads. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.